There's Ryan. Oops, going in the new Escalade. Are you gonna drive, Ryan? Cheese? Where you going? Ryan. You gonna drive the car?
Tickle, tickle, tickle.
Oh, he's going in the back seat. Where you going now? You taking a nap? Alright, bye. Nighty nighty. Nighty nighty. Going in the front seat now? Okay. Yep, it's going in the front seat. There he goes. Alright, drive the car. Drive the car. Where's your red Corvette? Where's your red Corvette? Right there. Right there. Where's your mama? See the monkey? See the monkey? Well, what happened? Who is that monkey? Who is that monkey in there? Who is that? The monkey. Are you through working on the car now? You all done messing it up or fixing it or whatever? Trying to set the clock? Clock? There he goes, driving away. Rum. Alright. Alright, see you later. I'm going bye-bye. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Quit doing that.